two small balls A and B, each of mass m, are joined rigidly to the ends of a light rod of length L, figure 10-E10. The system translates on a frictionless horizontal surface with a velocity v dot in a direction perpendicular to the rod. A particle P of mass m kept at rest on the surface sticks to the ball A as ball collides with it. Find the linear speeds of balls A and B after the collision. The velocity of the center of the mass C of the system A plus B plus P and the angular speed of the system about C after the collision. Suppose the rod with balls A and B of the previous problem is clamped at center in such a way that it can rotate freely about an horizontal axis through the clamp. The system is kept at rest in a horizontal position. A particle P of the same mass m is dropped from a height h on the ball B. The particle collides with B and sticks to it. Find the angular momentum and angular speed of the system just after the collision. What should be the minimum value of h so that the system makes a full rotation after the collision? Two balls A and B are joined with a light rod of length L. Its center is, suppose, this C. C, a rod is clamped at C or a horizontal axis C1, C, C2, इसके along this rod can rotates. This is horizontal axis. Rods rotates in vertical axis, vertical plane. A ball, a particle P of same mass, particle P is at position D, this is P particle, इसका mass है M, is dropped on this ball B. This height is h. जब ये particle is just to collide with B, its velocity v will be 2gh का अंडर रूट. जो मोमेंटम होगा ऑफ P, मोमेंटम linear momentum of P will be mv. and this momentum will be transferred to the system. Angular momentum of the system, A part. mv momentum into distance from the axis of rotation CB. M root 2GH into CB is L by 2. ML GH by 2 का root. This is angular momentum of the system. B. Moment of inertia about C, IC will be 2m CB square plus m CA square. 2m L by 2 का स्क्वायर प्लस m L by 2 का स्क्वायर. थ्री बाई फोर ml square. This angular momentum of the system will be equal to IC into angular speed omega. ml GH by 2 का रूट IC is 3 by 4 ml square into omega, और omega is 4 by 3 into ml GH by 2 का रूट डिवाइड by ml square. और 2√2 by 3 GH by L का रूट, और इसको हम लिख सकते हैं 8 GH का रूट by 3. This is angular speed of the system. Now, what should be the minimum value of H so that the system makes a full rotation after the collision? Initially, A and B and P. This is center C. AB is horizontal initially. For rotation, complete rotation, for maximum value of H, this 2m must be at the top, 2m, B point, and A should be at lowest point. Change in या gain in potential energy required. पोटेंशियल एनर्जी रिक्वायर्ड है, अगर इसको हम डाटम मान लें, फाइनल पोटेंशियल एनर्जी, फाइनल पीएम माइनस इनिशियल, दिस इज डाटम लाइन. तो फाइनल पोटेंशियल एनर्जी होगी 2mg इंटू AB माइनस इनिशियल होगी m इंटू AC प्लस 2m इंटू AC. 2mg into L minus 3m into AC. 2mgl minus 3, this is mg. mg into AC, 3 mg into AC. AC is L by 2. This is mgl by 2. जो गेन इन पोटेंशियल एनर्जी होगा, दैट इज ड्यू टू काइनेटिक एनर्जी ऑफ द सिस्टम. काइनेटिक एनर्जी ऑफ इनिशियल काइनेटिक एनर्जी ऑफ द सिस्टम होगी ट्रांसलेशनल काइनेटिक एनर्जी प्लस रोटेशनल काइनेटिक एनर्जी. C is fixed, hence this is assumed as Cm. This will be center of the mass. तो kT होगा हाफ m इंटू VCm का स्क्वायर एंड kr होगा हाफ ICM इंटू ओमेगा स्क्वायर. Load is fixed and VCM is 0, so this part will be 0. Half ICM is IC into omega square. Half IC is 3 by 4 ml square. 3 by 4 ml square, and omega is under root 8gh by 3l. 8gh under root by 3l square. 3 by 8 ml square into 8gh by 9l square. 8 से 8 क्रॉस हो जाएगा, ml l स्क्वायर से l स्क्वायर 3. तो दिस इज mgh by 3. And kinetic energy will be gain in potential energy. So the mgh by 3 must be equal to mgl by 2. mg से mg क्रॉस हो गया, h मस्ट बी 3/2L. तो मिनिमम h की वैल्यू होगी 3/2L.